The ceiling fan still works. 1925. It makes some strange noise, but it still works. So I want you to come and operate it. You just turn it on for us.
From 1925.
Yes, 1925.
So how do I turn it on?
I just push it, upward. Push it, push it, push it, push it. Good. Leave it.
This noise is pardonable.
Yeah, pardonable.
Yes,
so
it's pardonable.
Yeah, so I can turn it off.
For centuries,
yeah,
I mean, this is pardonable.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Good.
Whew, interesting.
Yeah. We have this fridge.
Fridge?
74 years this year. It still works. We have never changed the motor. We've never filled the gas. As it was in 1950, so it is today.
Justice, what are you saying?
I'm telling you, this fridge is 74 years this year.
You haven't changed the motor?
We haven't changed the motor since then. We haven't filled the gas.
How is that possible?
That one, I have to ask the manufacturers. I have to ask the manufacturers.
And it's working. There's ice in it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is very interesting. Because I mean, in this day and age, you buy a fridge and in a year you have to change the motor. But to have this 74 years, it's way older than I am.
Yes, yes, and it's as old as Otumfo said.
Exactly.
Otumfo is 74 years.
Yes.
Yeah, so that is the fridge for you.
This is iconic. Yes. Very, very iconic. And I'm sure our viewers are intrigued as well, because I didn't know about all of this, and until you come to the Manhyi Palace Museum, some of these interesting details you never get to know.